Hello, and welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're diving deep into the world of corn, its fascinating history, amazing benefits, and delicious culinary possibilities. Whether you're a corn enthusiast or just curious about the incredible journey of this golden grain, we're thrilled to have you with us. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a corn-filled adventure together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a kernel of wisdom from us. Let's get started. The origin of corn, or maize, maize, can be traced back to the Americas, particularly to what is now Mexico. Approximately 9,000 years ago, in the region known as Mesoamerica, early cultures like the Olmec, Maya, and Aztecs were instrumental in the domestication and selective breeding of a wild grass called teosinte. Over generations, these ancient farmers carefully cultivated teosinte, ultimately leading to the creation of maize, which became a staple crop and a crucial part of their diet. Maize not only served as a source of sustenance for these early civilizations but also held cultural and spiritual significance, integrated into their mythology and religious practices. With the arrival of European explorers, maize was introduced to the wider world, spreading to Europe, Africa, and Asia. Today, it is a global agricultural staple, cultivated on nearly every continent, showcasing the enduring legacy of the ingenious agricultural practices of ancient Mesoamerican societies that brought this essential crop to the world. Corn, a ubiquitous grain found on dinner tables and in a multitude of dishes worldwide, offers a wealth of nutritional benefits and versatility that make it a valuable addition to our diets. Let's explore the beneficial properties of this golden crop. 1. Rich in nutrients. Corn is a good source of essential nutrients. It's packed with vitamins, including B vitamins like thiamine, B1, niacin, B3, and pantothenic acid, B5. These vitamins play a vital role in energy metabolism and overall health. Additionally, corn contains essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. 2. Dietary fiber. One of corn's standout features is its dietary fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help prevent constipation. It also aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding weight management. 3. Antioxidants. Corn is a source of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are beneficial for eye health, as they help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 4. Energy source. Corn's carbohydrate content provides a valuable source of energy. It's a staple food in many cultures, offering a sustainable energy source through the day. 5. Gluten-free option. For individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, corn and corn-based products are naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and nutritious choice for those with dietary restrictions. 6. Versatility in the kitchen. Corn's versatility in cooking is a chef's dream. Whether it's enjoyed as a side dish, a salad ingredient, a base for soups, or transformed into cornmeal for baking, its adaptability knows no bounds. Popular corn-based dishes include corn on the cob, cornbread, and corn chowder. 7. Support for local economies. Corn farming is a cornerstone of many local economies, particularly in rural areas. It provides livelihoods for farmers and supports the agricultural sector, contributing to the economic well-being of communities. Corn is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of delicious dishes. Here are some popular recipes and dishes you can cook using corn. 1. Corn on the cob. Grilled corn on the cob, coat corn with butter and seasonings, then grill for a smoky, caramelized flavor. Boiled corn on the cob, simplicity at its best, boil corn until tender, then serve with butter and salt. 2. Cornbread. Classic cornbread, a staple in southern cuisine, cornbread is a slightly sweet, crumbly bread that pairs well with soups, stews, and chile. Jalapeno cornbread. Add some heat to your cornbread by incorporating diced jalapenos for a spicy kick. 3. Corn chowder. Creamy corn chowder, a comforting, hearty soup made with corn, potatoes, bacon, and cream. Vegan corn chowder. Create a dairy-free version by using coconut milk and vegetable broth. 4. Corn salad. Fresh corn salad, combine fresh corn kernels with diced tomatoes, red onions, and a zesty vinaigrette for a vibrant side dish. Black bean and corn salad, a nutritious and colorful salad that combines corn with black beans, bell peppers, and avocado. 5. Tacos and salsas. Grilled corn tacos, charred corn pairs perfectly with grilled meats or vegetarian options in tacos. Corn salsa, dice fresh corn and combine it with tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, and lime juice for a refreshing salsa. 6. Corn fritters. Sweet corn fritters, mix corn kernels with a batter of flour, eggs, and spices, then fry until golden brown. Zucchini and corn fritters, add grated zucchini to the mix for a delightful twist. 7. Corn casserole. Creamed corn casserole, a comforting and rich side dish, often made with corn, creamed corn, cornbread mix, and sour cream. Southwest corn casserole, spice it up with the addition of green chilies and pepper jack cheese. 8. Corn pudding. Southern corn pudding, a sweet and custardy dessert-like dish, perfect for holiday feasts. Mexican corn pudding, chocolate, a fusion of corn pudding and flan, creating a delightful two-layer dessert. 9. Popcorn. Popcorn is a versatile snack that can be customized with various seasonings, such as butter, cheese, caramel, or spices. 10. Corn pancakes. Cornmeal pancakes, a twist on traditional pancakes, using cornmeal for added texture and flavor. Corn's adaptability in the kitchen allows for an array of sweet and savory dishes. Whether you're cooking a classic American cornbread, a Mexican elote, or exploring global cuisines, corn is a versatile ingredient that can be transformed into a wide variety of culinary delights. While corn offers various benefits and versatility in the kitchen, it's essential to be aware of certain potential downsides and harmful aspects associated with its consumption. 1. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS. High fructose corn syrup, a sweetener derived from corn, is a common ingredient in processed foods and sugary beverages. Overconsumption of HFCS is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other health issues. 2. Allergies and intolerance. Some individuals may experience corn allergies or intolerance, which can lead to symptoms like digestive discomfort, skin rashes, or respiratory issues. 3. GMO concerns. A significant portion of corn produced today is genetically modified, GMO, to resist pests or herbicides. The potential long-term environmental and health impacts of GMO corn remain a subject of debate and concern. 4. Environmental impact. Monoculture farming of corn can lead to soil depletion and the excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers, which have environmental consequences, including soil erosion, water contamination, and habitat destruction. 5. Processed corn-based products. Many processed foods contain corn-derived ingredients that may not be beneficial for health. These include corn-based fillers and additives that can be found in fast food, snacks, and sugary cereals. 6. Digestive challenges. For some individuals, the fibrous components of corn can be challenging to digest, potentially leading to digestive discomfort or gas. 7. Carbohydrate content. While corn can be a valuable source of energy, its high carbohydrate content should be consumed in moderation, especially for those managing blood sugar levels or following low-carb diets. It's important to note that the harmful properties of corn primarily relate to overconsumption of certain corn-derived products and the environmental impact of large-scale monoculture farming. When consumed as part of a balanced diet and in its whole, unprocessed form, corn can be a valuable and nutritious addition to meals. Being mindful of food choices, reading labels, and maintaining a varied diet can help mitigate the potential downsides associated with corn consumption. Thank you so much for joining us on the cornfield exploration today, here on Healthy Food. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the wonders of cold as much as I've enjoyed sharing them with you. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you on the next adventure. So, until then, keep corn in your hearts and kitchens, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with all things corn. Farewell for now, and we'll catch you in the next video.